Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dreamers of all ages, I have a question for you today. Are you ready to manifest your dreams with the power of the law of attraction? If the answer is a resounding yes, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Mindboost, where we believe that dreams can become reality, and where we empower you to unleash the full potential of your mind. Calling all dreamers. Picture this, a world where your desires are not just wishful thinking, but a tangible reality. A world where you can turn your thoughts into things, where you can shape your own destiny. That world is within your reach, and today, we are here to guide you on this incredible journey. At Mindboost, we understand that life is full of ups and downs, challenges and setbacks. But here's the thing, you have the power to change the narrative. The law of attraction is a powerful force that, when understood and harnessed, can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. It's all about the energy you put out into the universe, and the energy you attract back. So, how does it work? It's simple, really. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. Positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions attract positive experiences, opportunities, and people into your life. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the vision of your dreams. When you radiate positivity and focus your mind on what you want, the universe conspires to bring it to you. Think about it. The greatest inventors, artists, and visionaries throughout history understood the power of the mind. They dared to dream big, and they believed in the possibility of their dreams. They tapped into the unlimited potential within them, and so can you. Mindboost is here to help you tap into that potential, to unleash your inner genius, and to manifest the life you truly desire. We offer a wealth of knowledge, resources, and practical techniques to help you harness the law of attraction effectively. Our YouTube channel, Mindboost, is your gateway to a world of inspiration, motivation, and personal growth. We bring you thought-provoking content, success stories, and practical tips that make understanding and using the law of attraction easy and accessible for everyone. But remember, dear dreamers, manifesting your dreams takes more than just wishful thinking. It takes dedication, commitment, and consistent action. It's about embracing a mindset of abundance, practicing gratitude, and visualizing your success. Mindboost will be your guide every step of the way, offering support, encouragement, and the tools you need to turn your dreams into reality. So, my friends, I invite you to join us on this incredible journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and transformation. Together, let's unlock the magic of the law of attraction and create a life that surpasses even our wildest dreams. Subscribe to Mindboost on YouTube, hit that notification bell, and let the power of your mind propel you towards a future filled with unlimited possibilities. Remember, dreamers, the time to manifest your dreams is now. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and embrace the power of the law of attraction. Welcome to Mindboost, where dreams become reality.